Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Yo, and we back with a quick video, baby, another one. You know what I'm saying? Yet again, man, today, I got something for y'all that I ain't got to do in a while, man. As you know, we live in Chicago, man. The weather be acting crazy out here. You know, try the best we can to get y'all a couple of those fire on feast, baby. You know what I'm saying? But today we're gonna kind of switch it up, do it in the crib. But I just wanted to give y'all the quick review and on feet of the recently released Bred for things, man. You know what I'm saying? Of course, the Nike Air on the back. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Make sure you holler at me in the comments, man. You know what I'm saying? I interact with the people. We talk to the people, man. I want to hear y'all thoughts on this shoe. You know what I'm saying? But of course, today, we got these guys right here. You know what I'm saying? OG Bred 4s. Of course, we all know about the return of that Nike Air on the back, man. You know what I'm saying? Really glad to have these, man. I remember back in the day, you know, I'm not a low top sneaker fan. So, you know, I wasn't really, you know, crazy about the mid, low top cut J's. So, you know, I was more of a 13 guy, a retro 8 guy. But as I got older, you know what I'm saying? And you know, my style kind of changed a little bit. You know, the 3s, the 4s, the 1s, these are absolutely must-haves for me in the collection. Plus, you know, Chicago, we collect everything Mike played in. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. So you know your boy had to go ahead and cop these. Released this past Saturday, $200. You know what I'm saying? Everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So really crazy, man. These things sold out, man. I haven't seen lines like I seen, you know, this weekend for a general release Jordan in at least over a couple of years now, man, which speaks to, you know, just how coveted this sneaker is and how much people really rock with these classes, man. I saw the grandmas, the OGs, the babies, the baby mamas,
Bruh.
Everybody was trying to get their hands on this thing right here, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Really quickly, man, we gonna get straight into the on feet portion. And then I'm gonna kind of, you know, compare these guys, you know what I'm saying, let y'all know, you know, just my quick little thoughts of this guy right here, man. So, you know what I'm saying, let's get it.
Big business. Like the ops say big business, you know what I'm saying? Folks. Yeah. Now watch me. Handful of homies. Real big business. You blow. Niggas bitten. Whole lot of hoes. Nigga get you women. Stuff with the pole. Come get you women, nigga. Big business. Talk shit with the Williams. Ooh. Catch him at the club, sippin'. Fuck around, they missing. Hold on. Hold on. Big pimpin'. I start my crew, now my mission complete. Lil C. I ain't doing that, I'm fuck on the sheets. Yeah. And all my niggas loyal like Bun B. Hold on. Fuck you thought, why you start with D.I.E. Hold on. Fuck around and set the bitch out like Queen like T. Hold on, yeah. Going all out by my dog like Scooby. And the nigga trap don't swing like this.
Yo, so really quickly comparison, man. You know, as you can see, I definitely got, you know, the previous release model. You see the Jumpman. You know what I'm saying? We definitely got that 2019 version. You know, a couple of quick differences that I can show you just off the rip. You know what I'm saying? Even though these things are absolutely beat.
Bruh.
You know what I'm saying? The tongue, man. The tongue was ridiculous on this, man. Like crazy. I don't even think back then you realized just how fat and how big this tongue was. Unnecessarily big. It didn't have to be that way. But you know, it's all about showing off your tongue, I guess, a couple of years ago. So we got the super stupid Will Smith ear tongue going on this guy right here. You know what I'm saying? If you get really up and close, baby, you can absolutely see just the difference in the nubuck quality on this pair in comparison to this pair right here, man. I feel like this is like, I haven't seen Durbuck or nubuck, you know, this quality since those Raptor 7s that came out in 2013, which I absolutely hated that. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? Maybe this is kind of, you know, keep its shape a little bit better than these did. As you can see, the crazy little creases in them joints. You know what I'm saying? But just the quality of this was just, you know, it just felt like something nice. Felt like something a little bit more premium than you're used to kind of seeing, man. I know these are super beaters right now, just bear with me. But, you know, I really appreciate the quality on these joints. You know, as many people probably already pointed out, outside of just the obvious, you know, Jumpman and Nike Air on the back, you got these little pull tabs back here. Now, if you kind of, you know, you kind of see that, man, this joint right here on the 2013 pair, the 2012 pair is way thicker, man. Hard to flip that thing back, get back in place. And this one right here, man, I can bend that thing all the way back. So maybe to keep people from getting their heels, you know, their heels kind of nicked up and scratched up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but I don't know how I want to feel about this change real quick, man. I kind of like the sturdiness, you know what I'm saying, of the heel tab on the old pair. You see all type of paint chipping and cracking. That's kind of standard on all 3s and 4s. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully the paint, you know, kind of hold up a little better on this pair. What else? I mean, pretty much everything else is consistent. I would want to say just the red in the inside of the 2012 pair is a little duller than the red that they used on this 2019 pair, and it's absolutely definitely a little brighter, a little bit more vibrant, you know what I'm saying, than the red that they used on this one, on this colorway. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, stays pretty consistent, stays pretty true. Netting, everything is there, man. You know what I'm saying? Bred 4 is just hard to mess this shoe up. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, pretty dope. I'm glad to have it in my collection. We definitely gonna, you know, kind of keep these fresh, man. This is gonna be like an everyday work beater now, man. You know what I'm saying? But y'all let me know if y'all cop these guys. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? If you're a sneaker collector, if you're a Jordan collector, you absolutely gotta have these in the collection. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, that's my opinion. That's it for me. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We're moving towards that 1K, you know, sub, baby. Let's help your boy get that. You know what I'm saying? You already know how we rocking around here as we proceed to give you what you need. Gang, 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 gang.
This Chicago.